Welcome to Gildan's manufacturing complex in beautiful Honduras. Today, we're going to show you around our operations here, starting at our main facility in Rio Nance. Pretty big, isn't it?
I'm Ilka, and I'm a technical manager here at Gildan. I'm sure most of you know about Gildan's products and are curious about our sustainability practices. Well, today, we're going to take a tour and see firsthand how we use innovation to maximize sustainability. Okay? Let's go see our facilities in action. A Gildan t-shirt starts its journey as cotton that spun at our facilities in North Carolina and Georgia. Once the yarn arrives here in Honduras, it's loaded into knitting machines and turned into rolls of fabric. It gets dyed, rinsed, that's what you see happening here, and stabilized in machines called jets. Then it's dried, compressed, and cut using small robots to create the different parts of our garments. And fun fact, more than 90% of our cotton comes from the United States and is sustainably grown and ethically harvested. Okay, let's keep moving. Welcome to our amazing BioTop. Now, personally, this is my favorite part of the tour. The BioTop is a biological system for filtering our dyed wastewater, and it's an innovation we're super proud of at Gildan. The way it works is really cool. The water we use for dyeing leaves the facility and flows through 41 connected lagoons while being treated with bacteria and microorganisms. Since the water flows through the lagoons using gravity alone, no extra energy is needed. Once the water is completely filtered, it gets reused for local irrigation and many other uses. Also, several areas of the BioTop system feed fish, local birds, and act as a refuge for wildlife. Look around and see for yourself how huge it is. Oh, and see if you can spot an alligator. Something we're super committed to at Gildan is reducing, reusing, and recycling as much waste materials as possible. Here, at our biomass facility, we burn waste processed from agriculture and factory scrap to make steam and thermal energy to power our factories. Due to our use of biomass energy, our renewable energy footprint has averaged almost 40% over the past 5 years. Now, it may not look like it, but it takes a ton of work and people to keep the biomass running smoothly. Scientists, engineers, welders, truck drivers, and of course, the cleaning crews. As you can see, sewing employs the highest percentage of Gildan employees. These highly skilled workers assemble cut parts and turn them into all kinds of different apparel. Sewing teams can consist of around 20 people, and each person has a different job, from sewing the sleeves to inserting the label. Every step is monitored, and every garment gets a quality control check by one of our in-house inspectors. What's great about the sewing floor is that we play music while we work, and there's always fun activities and celebrations. And finally, no matter how efficient or sustainable our manufacturing facilities are, all of it depends on the amazing people who work here. Gildan's proud to be a top employer here in Honduras, and we're constantly evolving to support and improve the lives of our staff and their families. For example, here's one of our several fully equipped medical clinics, where we can go anytime for free services. We have health and wellness programs, fitness programs, maternity programs, and even financial aid. In times of need, we have staff doctors and nurses who travel to nearby communities to help keep our local communities healthy and happy. And that's the end of our tour. Hopefully, we've given you a sense of Gildan's dedication to innovation and sustainability.
And there's more to come. We're committed in our journey of reimagining the future of responsible manufacturing by supporting our people, environment, and communities to make apparel better. Thanks for joining us, and adios from Honduras.